at Garbage in Your Livestock 4-H Club, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich even better. I know, you guys don't think it's possible, but it is. So let's start by gathering the ingredients you'll be needing today. You'll be needing spreadable butter, jelly, peanut butter, some spray, some oil, and some hand sanitizer just to make sure your hands are clean. So then we'll be gathering the utensils you'll be needing. You'll be needing a spatula, a butter knife, some napkins, and some paper plates. I forgot to add one thing in the ingredients, you'll be needing some bread. Okay, now I have a little joke to start things off. Why does bread hate southern summers? Because it gets too toasty. So let's start by getting our delicious sandwich ready. Step 1 is to get 2 slices of bread. And butter each side of one plate. Up to both. So then you're going to get your butter and put butter on one side of each of them. This just helps to make sure that your sandwich doesn't break. So then, now that we have step 1 done, let's go to step 2. Step 2 is to take one of the slices of your bread and flip it to the side that does not have butter on it. And then spread peanut butter. Now, I have Smucker's peanut butter, which is naturally made, so you may want to just stir the top of it just to make sure that all the oil is gone with peanut butter. And then place your peanut butter on the bread. Then, we are getting closer to eating our delicious sandwich. Now let's get another piece of bread. This is step 3. Let's get the other piece of bread and flip it to the side that does not have butter on it and add jelly. I have squeezable jelly, which in my opinion is very easy. And you're going to want to use your butter knife and just spread the jelly. Our tasty treat is almost done. Be sure to turn on your cooking surface to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's go ahead and take our 2 pieces of bread and put them together so that each side of the peanut butter and jelly is touching. And then you're going to go ahead and place it on your griddle. Now, I have a griddle, so you can also use a stovetop with a pan, but you're just going to want to make sure that you're very careful and use some safety tips. So I have some of those right here. So your first safety tip is going to be make sure that hands are close by because you are using hot surface. And no flammable products near the hot surface. Like paper or anything, you don't want that in your way. But then you don't want to touch your hot surface, so that means no like horse playing in the kitchen or like, anything that would maybe cause injury. So then I have some fun facts just to make sure that we know how important peanut butter and jelly was a long time ago. So peanut butter and jelly sandwiches were staples of the military during World War II. The first jelly flavor was lemon. Ugh, I did not want to try that. And then George Washington Harvard found many ways to use peanuts, like peanut butter, soap, conditioner, and everything. So you want to make sure on your sandwich that you have 1 to 2 minutes or until golden brown. Now I like to just make sure that when you flip it, you always take your spatula and go all the way underneath it, because it could just like, you could like lose it and it would like maybe go off your griddle. So once you have your golden brown on each side, you're gonna wanna take your sandwich off and put it on your plate, and there's your tasty treat.